Sir Darrell. Greetings everyone. I'm Harley Masangkay from Grade 10 Bonifacio, line 13. Today, we will conduct an experiment about Charles' Law. For this experiment, we need two inflated balloons. One is for the hot temperature and one is for the cold temperature.
For the hot temperature, we boiled up some water in a pot which we will put our balloon in. Quick reminder about this video, to use the stove properly and never play with fire. And as for the cold temperature, we use our refrigerator to put the balloon in. After some time, the water will heat up and we can put our balloon in. And we follow the another balloon and put it in the freezer. So unfortunately, the balloon that was, magtatagalog na lang kasi nakakailang retake na po ako. So unfortunately, yung isang balloon ay pumutok at kailangan ko gamitin ang isang balloon upang ilagay sa both hot and cold temperature. Yung balloon na sa right image, nilagay ko ito sa cold temperature at yung balloon naman na sa left image ay nilagay ko sa hot temperature. Kapag pinagdikit silang dalawa, align lang po natin ng onte. Hindi ko po ito i-resize. Makikita dito ang clear difference sa dalawa. Mas malaki yung balloon na nilagay sa hot temperature, which is yung naka-overlay.
This happens because the balloon at the hot temperature, its air molecules moves faster, which causes it to expand. Opposite to that, the balloon that was on cold temperature, its air molecules bounce off slower, which causes it to shrink.
This is the formula for Charles' Law.
I'm an Englishera, halata.
I am a golden retriever boy, so I want some golden retriever gal.
So it's okay, nonetheless din kung magkaroon man ng anything, no hard feelings din. Thank you.